What's up guys, it's your girl Sharnice and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, and if you watch this video, be sure to give it that thumbs up and comment and share with all your friends. Today I'm going to be curling my locks, and I'm doing it with the help of Peculiar Roots Mousse. Peculiar Roots is a Black-owned, family, clean, cruelty-free hair brand for people with natural hair and people with locks. So this mousse is frizz-free and lightweight, and it has a firm hold. I haven't used it yet, so I'm excited to do so. It is a flaxseed styling foam and mousse. So if any of you have ever used flaxseed gel, you know that that has a nice firm hold, especially people with natural hair or locks. If they've used it to twist or retwist, you know that it's on your side. So I'm excited to use this and finally get a nice firm hold on my curls. So this mousse actually has flaxseed, silk, and cucumber. So flaxseed obviously is nourishing for the hair. The silk is a nice hydrolyzed silk protein that we like to put back into our hair to keep our hair nice and strong. And the cucumber is high in antioxidants. So overall, great for your hair health and hair strength. If you would like to shop Peculiar Roots, please be sure to use my code SHAR10 for all of your purchases. You do not want to miss out on this brand. The rollers that I will be using today, I picked up from my pharmacy. The Satin foam rollers from Conair. So that's all I'm going to be using today. This video should be pretty quick. Stay tuned. These rollers came with helpful instructions and they are assorted in size. So I'm starting at the back, and I just started using the medium size rollers and applying some mousse to my locks and just rolling them. This actually took me no time at all, and it was very simple to do. So I realized here that I didn't have enough rollers of the same size to curl all of my locks. So in the middle, I started doing some pin curls and securing them with duck clips. And I'm hoping that the curls come out just like the satin roller, or that they at least look similar. All right, so I just finished curling my hair, and I did about 3 to 4 locks at a time, just rolling them around the satin rollers, and it was great. And these rollers are really easy to use and they're really quick to do. Actually, it didn't take me any time at all. But what I did notice is that since I did get the assorted size, I have a lot of smaller rollers left, like this size, and my locks were not fitting around these at all, unless I were to do like one lock at a time, which would not be possible because I have 92 locks and these are only 40 something rollers. So what I ended up doing was I used my fingers and just rolled some of my locks, and I used some of my duck clips to keep them in place. That method gives really loose curls, so I did them as tight as I could and I pinned them to my scalp. So we will see. There are about like 7 of them that are done in that kind of pin curl method. So I will see you guys soon, and hopefully I will have beautiful voluminous curls. All right, so it's been almost 24 hours. I was actually going to take this out a few hours after, but I got really lazy and I decided to sleep with them, and they're super comfortable, guys. These rollers are so squishy and they're not uncomfortable to sleep with, so definitely using these again if the curls come out how we need them to. So let's get to it. All right, guys, I'm really feeling these curls. This is how I really like my curls. I like them big and fluffy and plump, and this is really doing something for me, okay? I'm feeling it. What do you guys think? I'm gonna give it some more time to just drop, but I really like this look right now. And as the days go on, they'll drop a little bit more, and then eventually my locks will just have this like little bump at the end. This look is perfect if you're going out for some kind of like elegant evening or some special event. I would do something like this for Valentine's Day, a wedding. Yeah, this is super dope. I love these satin rollers. I just love like when my hair is big and fun and fluffy.